Did you know that America boasts some of the most breathtaking campervan road trip destinations in the world? Yes, you heard that right. This vast continent with its diverse landscapes offers a myriad of travel experiences that will leave you awestruck and longing for more. From the golden beaches of the Pacific coast to the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains, from the lush greenery of the southern states to the vast deserts of the Southwest, America is a treasure trove of breathtaking vistas and unforgettable adventures. Imagine cruising down a highway with the wind in your hair, the open road stretching out in front of you, and the promise of new discoveries around every bend. That's the magic of a campervan road trip in America. Planning such a trip might seem daunting given the sheer number of incredible destinations to choose from. Each state, each region, each city has its own unique charm and attractions. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie, there's a road trip route that's perfect for you. So where should you start? That's where we come in. Today we're going to explore 5 of the most spectacular campervan road trip destinations in America. Each of these routes offers a unique blend of stunning landscapes, fascinating history, and rich culture. We'll delve into what makes each of these routes special, providing you with insights and tips to plan your own unforgettable journey. But that's not all. Stay tuned for the ultimate reveal, the creme de la creme of American road trip destinations. This is the one road trip gem that stands head and shoulders above the rest, offering a travel experience that's truly out of this world. You won't want to miss it. So buckle up as we embark on a journey through the best campervan road trip gems in America. Let's hit the road and start exploring. Starting on the West Coast, we have the iconic Pacific Coast Highway in California. This legendary highway, also known as Highway 1, offers a road trip experience that is unparalleled in its scenic beauty. Imagine winding along the coastline with the vast Pacific Ocean on one side and the towering California cliffs on the other. It's a sight that will leave you breathless and in awe of nature's grandeur. The Pacific Coast Highway stretches over 600 miles from the historic city of San Francisco to the sun-kissed beaches of San Diego. Along this route, you'll be treated to a diverse showcase of California's famed landscapes. You'll pass through quaint coastal towns like Monterey and Carmel, marvel at the rugged beauty of Big Sur, and be enchanted by the glitz and glamour of Los Angeles. This scenic route isn't just about the landscapes, though. There's an abundance of attractions to explore along the way. How about a detour to visit the towering redwoods in Muir Woods? Or perhaps you'd prefer to soak up some culture at the Getty Center in Los Angeles. And let's not forget the idyllic beaches and world-class vineyards that dot the coastline. The Pacific Coast Highway is a perfect campervan destination. You'll find numerous campgrounds and RV parks along the route, offering amenities ranging from basic to luxurious. These spots provide the perfect opportunity to park your campervan, set up camp, and soak up the stunning views. What's more, the flexibility of a campervan allows you to dictate your pace and itinerary. Want to spend an extra day exploring the vineyards of Santa Barbara? Or maybe you'd prefer to wake up to the sound of waves crashing on the shores of a secluded beach. With a campervan, the choice is yours. In short, a road trip along the Pacific Coast Highway in a campervan promises an adventure filled with breathtaking views, diverse attractions, and the freedom to explore at your own pace. So pack your bags, load up your campervan, and prepare to experience the Golden State in all its glory on this unforgettable journey. Next up, we have the legendary Route 66, stretching from Chicago to Santa Monica. Often called the Mother Road, Route 66 is a quintessential piece of American history, a testament to the spirit of freedom and the thrill of the open road. Born in the early 20th century, Route 66 was one of the original highways within the US highway system. It quickly became a symbol of opportunity, connecting urban and rural America from Chicago all the way to the sandy beaches of Santa Monica, California. This iconic road trip is a must for campervan travelers, offering an abundance of attractions and sights. As you journey along Route 66, you'll encounter a unique blend of historical landmarks, quirky roadside attractions, and stunning natural beauty. From the towering skyscrapers of Chicago, through the rolling hills of Missouri, the expansive plains of Oklahoma, to the golden deserts of Arizona, and finally, the sparkling Pacific Ocean at Santa Monica Pier, the scenery is as diverse as it is breathtaking. As you traverse Route 66, you'll find yourself immersed in different cultures and communities, each with its own unique charm and character. You'll experience a slice of Americana, from the neon-lit diners and vintage motels to awe-inspiring national parks and historic landmarks. But it's not just the sights that make Route 66 a must-do road trip. It's the sense of adventure, the feeling of freedom, and the opportunity to experience America at your own pace. Imagine waking up in your camper van to a beautiful sunrise over the Grand Canyon, or sitting by the fire under a star-filled sky in the Mojave Desert. This is the magic of a campervan road trip on Route 66. So, if you're looking for a journey that's as much about the ride as it is about the destination, pack your campervan and hit the road. Route 66 is more than just a highway. It's a journey through time, a celebration of freedom, and a testament to the enduring spirit of America. Get your kicks on Route 66 for a true taste of Americana. Moving to the East Coast, we find the serene Blue Ridge Parkway, winding its way from Virginia to North Carolina. This mesmerizing road trip gem is a gateway to some of the most breathtaking sceneries in America. The Blue Ridge Parkway, often described as America's favorite drive, is a 269-mile-long journey that takes you through the heart of the Appalachian Highlands. As you traverse this scenic route, your eyes will be treated to a visual feast of verdant forests, rolling hills, and majestic mountains. The parkway is more than just a connection between two states, it's a journey through time. The landscape is dotted with remnants of old farmsteads and historic structures that speak of the region's rich cultural history. The Blue Ridge Parkway is also a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. The dense forests are home to a variety of animals such as white-tailed deer, black bears, and over 200 species of birds. It's not uncommon to spot these magnificent creatures as you drive along the parkway, but it's not just the drive that's captivating. The camping spots nestled along the parkway offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds, the scent of fresh pine, and a view of the sun rising over mist-covered mountains. The Blue Ridge Parkway is more than just a road, it's an experience. It's the feeling of tranquility as you drive through tunnels of trees, the thrill of spotting a deer grazing in the distance, the sense of awe as you stand atop a mountain and look out over endless forests. So if you're yearning for a road trip that combines picturesque views, abundant wildlife, and serene camping spots, then the Blue Ridge Parkway should be on your list. It's a journey that will stay with you long after the road has ended. Experience the tranquility of nature in the heart of America on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Now, for those who crave adventure, we have the challenging yet awe-inspiring Alaska Highway. A journey on the Alaska Highway is like diving headfirst into a wilderness wonderland. Spanning over 1,400 miles from Dawson Creek in British Columbia to Delta Junction in Alaska, this route is a testament to human endurance and the relentless beauty of nature. As you embark on this journey, you'll traverse through a diverse range of landscapes. From the dense green forests of British Columbia to the snow-capped mountains of the Yukon and the vast open tundra of Alaska. Each mile unfolds a new chapter of this epic story written by nature. One of the unique features of the Alaska Highway is its wildlife encounters. This road trip is not just about the journey, it's about the companions you meet along the way, from the majestic moose and playful black bears to the elusive wolves and soaring eagles. These encounters will create unforgettable memories, so make sure to keep your cameras ready. But the Alaska Highway is not just about the landscapes and wildlife, it's about the history etched into its path. Constructed during World War II as a military route, it's a symbol of resilience against the odds. The highway's rich history is reflected in the many visitor centers and museums dotted along the route, offering a deeper understanding of this remarkable road. The Alaska Highway is a road trip destination that challenges and rewards. It demands preparation, patience, and a sense of adventure. But in return, it offers unparalleled beauty, unique wildlife encounters, and a journey through history. So whether you're an experienced road tripper or a camping novice, the Alaska Highway is a destination that should be on your bucket list. It's more than a road. It's a journey into the heart of the wild, a testament to the power of nature, and a celebration of the human spirit. Brace yourself for the adventure of a lifetime on the Alaska Highway. And finally, we reveal the ultimate campervan road trip gem, the Great River Road from Minnesota to Louisiana. This journey, my friends, is a drive like no other. Spanning 10 states and over 2,000 miles, the Great River Road trails the mighty Mississippi River, a symbol of America's enduring spirit and natural beauty. It's not just a road trip, it's a voyage through the heart of America, one that will leave you with a deeper appreciation for the country's diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. Starting up north in Minnesota, the road winds along the river's edge, treating you to a front-row view of the Mississippi's grandeur. The river's banks are dotted with charming small towns, each with its own unique character and story to tell. From the icy landscapes of the north to the lush green fields of the south, the Great River Road offers a feast for the eyes at every bend. As you journey southwards, the landscapes subtly shift, mirroring the river's own transformation. The verdant forests of the north give way to the rolling farmlands of the Midwest, and finally the swaying palms and bayous of Louisiana. It's a testament to America's astonishing geographical diversity, but it's not just about the scenery. Along the Great River Road, you'll encounter a rich tapestry of American culture. From the blues and barbecue of Memphis to the jazz and jambalaya of New Orleans, this road trip is a sensory delight. The Great River Road is a journey through the culinary, musical and historical soul of America. So whether you're a nature enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking for an unforgettable road trip, the Great River Road is the ultimate campervan destination. It's a trip that captures the essence of America, from its stunning natural beauty to its vibrant, diverse culture. Discover the heart and soul of America along the Great River Road. So there you have it, 5 of the most spectacular campervan road trip destinations in America, from coast to coast. From the sun-kissed Pacific Coast Highway in California, an iconic stretch of highway that offers a scenic feast of the mighty Pacific Ocean, to the historic Route 66 that stretches from Chicago to Santa Monica, a road trip here is like stepping back in time. We've journeyed through the lush landscapes of the Blue Ridge Parkway, a ribbon of road that winds from Virginia to North Carolina, showcasing the majestic Appalachian Mountains in all their glory. And we've ventured into the wild frontier of the Alaska Highway, which runs from Dawson Creek to Delta Junction, a route that's teeming with wildlife and breathtaking vistas. And let's not forget the Great River Road, a meandering path that follows the mighty Mississippi from Minnesota to Louisiana, offering a slice of Americana that's as diverse as it is beautiful. Each of these routes offers its own unique charm, its own story, its own set of unforgettable experiences. These are not just destinations, they are journeys in themselves, adventures waiting to be embarked upon. They offer you a chance to experience America like never before, to delve into its natural beauty and cultural diversity, to meet its people and taste its flavors. A campervan road trip is more than just a vacation. It's an opportunity to hit the open road, to explore at your own pace, to discover hidden gems and make memories that will last a lifetime. It's about the freedom of the road, the thrill of the adventure, the joy of the journey, and now that we've shared these incredible routes with you, it's your turn to choose your own adventure. Which of these fantastic routes calls out to you the most? Which one will be your next campervan road trip destination? Don't forget to comment below with your favorite campervan road trip destination and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels.